Okay, here we are, Sunday, November 17th, 2024, and we got a delivery of firewood, the first cord. I already put a quarter of it inside, and the guy will be able to bring it over and come up this way with another cord and put it on what I've been calling the bullseye. So that'll make it easier to just bring it in for downstairs, because I like to have two cords downstairs so we don't have to go out in the snow and the rain and all that. So what I do is I take 12 pieces and I put it in this carrier, which is really a good one. I like it very much. And I'm going to bring it in the house and store it by the wood stove in one of these racks. These are 12 foot. I have one that's just 4 foot, so it just goes like to here. And then I fill that up. And that's that. So that's my day for today. And I'll probably get 2, maybe 3 more. I have to park the Jeep down there so that I'm able to have them dump it here. And I take 12 at a time. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of 12s in there. And he gives me some nice logs too, which are good. So with that said, until next time, be safe and God bless.